I always give away too much. It's like I've got no sense of touch. I'm always pouring out my heart, no little by little.
Hi everybody, I hope y'all can see me. Hold on. Okay, I hope that's better. Fall video completed. However, now we're in the room where the babies are usually at when they're here with us. We kind of sit in here, watch movies and eat and make a mess, and then I clean it up after they leave. However, this time I am the reason why this room looks like this. So what we're gonna do is clean it. And I'm breathing hard because I've already cleaned the kitchen. I took the couch cover off of the couch and I washed it and I put it back on. I pulled the rug up off of the floor and washed it as well. It's hanging over the door. Let me just go on and show y'all. It's hanging over the door. So, oh, and these are our family pictures that everyone painted at our sip and paint when we went to Tennessee. And so they're in here, and this is just like a little sitting room where I watch my YouTube videos of people that I like to watch on YouTube. These are luggage for me and Maxine for a trip that'll be happening next year. And so they've been in here since they got delivered on the porch. So I got to get those out of here. What else? And just clean everything. Amazon boxes from all the stuff that I ordered. Oh, I hope I'm not making y'all dizzy. I still haven't got used to this yet, but yeah. So that's what we're gonna do. So let's get started. I don't know where to start. I don't. Oh, I could put these. Y'all, these, I made these little pillows. These were placemats, and what I did was I cut them open right here and put stuffing in them and sewed them back up and made these. So these are on this bench over here that y'all can't see because it's blocked by everything, but I'm gonna put a couple on the couch too. Actually, I'm gonna put that in the middle. Okay, so this is why I don't know where to start, because I need to get these boxes out of the way first. So let's do that.
We get down to the beat, y'all. We get down to the beat, y'all. We get down to the beat, y'all. It's like we're not going anywhere. Maybe it's because there's something in the air. And I don't even care, no, I don't even care anymore. one thing on my mind. Baby, one day I'm hoping that you will be mine. Turn my life around. Wow. Yeah. Where do we go when everything feels like it just stays the same? Where do we go from here when everything is said and done? Where do we go when everything feels like it just stays the same? Where do we go from here when everything is said and done? We're starting all over. And let's get together now, so we can find a spark in the night. Yeah. Bring it. Come on. Blow that. That's right.
Get out the way. Who got a watch? Who got the time? I'm raising the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk. Heard it's real cheap, but it's really gon' cost. I'm trying to get these ends, building empires with my friends. I'm about handling my business. No time for stress over bush. You think success is an option? I'm trying to get this poppin' like woo. Big moves, my rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait tight on our leg for it. Countdown for me. 12, 11, 10, 9. Ain't that I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. On my time. My time, my time, my time, my time. Order in the court. Me first, you short. On my time, been off yours, boss. To the floor. It's my time. You was for you, I was for us. You do the math, don't add up. Even on my worst day, down on my luck. I got the sauce, I'ma always come up. I tried it your way, that was a dub. I'm taking the wheel now, cause I trust me. I'ma go get these millions. I'm still hoping and wishing. You always had me waiting, and I'm about fresh out of patience. This time we switching positions. Now you under my submission, like woo. My rules, big moves. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season, like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait tight on our leg for it. Countdown for me. 5, 4, 3, 2. I want, I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. On my time. My time, my time, my time, my time. Order in the court. Me first, you short. On my time, been off yours, boss. To the floor. Ooh, it's my time.
Hi everybody, I'm back. It has been a motivated workout, well needed for this video today. I mean, I am really going at it. Just getting it clean and organized. As I said, we do want to do a lot of things in this room as well and throughout the house. I am really excited and ready to get the house where I want it to be, even though it will take time and budgeting. We will get there, and I hope you guys will get there with me. I've just been so busy lately, and I'm just really appreciating that you guys stop and show up for me when I post these videos. And yeah, I was just showing their dry eraser board that I have for the babies so that they can write on there and not write on my walls. So those are the pillows I was talking about earlier that I had made out of not napkins, but placemats, and cut them open and created some Halloween pillows for not Halloween, jeez, just some fall pillows for the season for this room back here, and I just think they're so cute. So that's why I made it a point to say something to you guys about it. And those books that I just put up there, I know they look ratty and old. Those are encyclopedias for Black history, and they have a lot of the icons in there that we don't hear about a lot. So whenever Maxine or Tavon would have a Black History Month or had to talk about an unknown person, we would try to find people in those encyclopedias that were my mother-in-law's. And there's two in the living room on one of the end tables. So it's not a complete set, but I think it's like missing originally. It may be the complete set. I'll have to ask my husband. I don't remember. But yeah, a lot of good stuff in there. And so those are the flowers that I was gonna take back, and Maxine was like, "Mom, just keep them and put them throughout the house." And I am gonna have some pop up of pictures of the kitchen little buffet table with those flowers in there, as well as my night table by my bed. And I did throw in a picture of the kitchen, what I had put the what is it, the fall eucalyptus from the previous video. I did put a picture of that in there for you guys as well. And I just wanted to say to you guys, thank you so much for just showing up here. I know everybody has a busy schedule, and I really appreciate the support and the love that you guys have been showing me. And I feel like the MHE family is really taking off, and we are stepping our game up and going to the next level. Thanks so much for being a part of it. As always, I want to say before I go and let you guys finish watching and listening to the music, um, create a beautiful life and live well. And when I say that, I don't mean with things. Yes, I use things to decorate spaces with, to make them beautiful. But the beauty of it all is spending time with my family and just us loving on each other in these beautiful spaces, creating memories. That is the most important thing. And we are in the most important season of the year, which is the holiday season. And I am so geeked again because Christmas is coming. And I hope you guys are as excited as I am. I'm getting some ideas together to share with you all, and I hope that it inspires you as well. And so, like I said, I'm going to get out of here. Thanks for helping to grow the HME family. I look forward to seeing you guys on my next post, and I will see you soon. Talk to you later. Oh, leave your comments and thoughts down in the comment section down below. Thanks again, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye.